Honda's Lane Keeping Assist System, LKAS, is part of Honda Sensing, our intelligent suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies. The Lane Keeping Assist system adjusts steering to help you keep centered in a detected lane. In addition, the Traffic Jam Assist feature extends these benefits to lower speeds and high-traffic situations. LKAS uses a windshield-mounted camera to detect lane markings and employs the electric power steering to help guide the vehicle to the middle of the detected lane. To activate the system, press the LKAS button on the right side of the steering wheel. The LKAS icon will appear in white in the Driver Information Interface, or DII. If traffic lane lines are detected, they will be represented in white as well. When the system is fully engaged, the LKAS icon and lane lines will turn green. Note that LKAS operation may be suspended when the system fails to detect lane lines, the steering wheel is turned quickly, you fail to steer the vehicle, driving through a sharp curve, exceeding 90 miles per hour. If these conditions cease to exist, the system will resume operation. Operation may be canceled when the camera becomes extremely hot, the area around the camera gets dirty, the anti-lock braking system or vehicle stability assist engages. A beeper sounds when LKAS is canceled. See your vehicle's owner's manual for more details, or go to owners.honda.com for a downloadable version.